die too young. 100 miles per hour, might smash if the kid die young. The kid die young. Pushing to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'm a big place, I'm a name in the stone. My name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. My name in the stone.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm back at it on the trailer today. I got my battery and my charger in for the Breakaway system, so I kind of been piddling with it already. I decided to get rid of the old wires completely because they had a break in the ground and it's just old, so I decided to change it up a little bit. So I went ahead and changed my ground wire out, and then I got it to where I could feed both wires through right here. So all I gotta do is hook this up to the ground, and then I'm gonna be wiring in the charger. So the blue goes straight to the Breakaway switch, and then this red goes to the battery, positive, and then the black goes to the 12 volt on the junction box. So I'm gonna go ahead and get most of this wired up, and then I'll show you what I have. So here's the battery box all done. Got our ground going straight to our ground right here. The blue from our charger going to the Breakaway switch. Then the red going to our positive side of our battery. And then the 12 volt is going out the bottom right here. Coming out, and that's gonna go up in this channel right here. And then go back to the back of the trailer and come back in, like I said, to the junction box. Now I have both of my new wires taped to the ground and power that's going all the way to the brakes at the axle. And I'm gonna run it through the channel because these need to go to the junction box now, and so do these. So yeah, I'm gonna pull it through the channel real quick, get them back there. All right, so I got the junction box fully wired to here. And then I went ahead and hooked up the truck to it, and then I got the brakes on. And the easiest way to test to see if they're working is see it's magnetized right now. And when this magnetizes to the hub, it pulls it to the hub and operates the brakes. All right, and I'll go disconnect turn off the brake real quick. And now they aren't magnetized. It's not sticking anymore. So that means it's working. I'm going around and checking all of them. I gotta figure out what to do about this axle because it's screwed on the bottom. I don't even know what to do. So I gotta figure that out. And other than that, I have trailer brakes, but I gotta get my axles right before we go anywhere because I don't have any problems. So I looked at it a little harder, and that's not even where a bearing rides. It just must have been from the lathe when they built this. So the inner bearing rides right here, the outer bearing rides right here. So we're gonna be fine with that being like it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and get all new bearings for it anyways, because this was kind of rusted and they're just nasty. So I need new ones. Might as well make it right so we don't have any problems. The junction box is now fully done. It looks nice and clean. Everything's grounded, everything has power. That's what it's supposed to do. So we're set up as far as that. And then once I get the brakes, the brake drums, and new bearings for the wheels, I'll be completely done with the brake system and it'll be ready to roll down the road. Well, that's it for the trailer brakes and the Breakaway switch. Hopefully we'll never need the Breakaway switch, but it's there if we need it. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all take it easy. Have a good night. Peace.